all these bolts around the outside here of this crankcase, and we're going to go ahead and split that case. Alright, we're going to loosen all these Allen bolts up here. 4 of these. We're going to pull this gear off. We've got to get in behind here. We've got 4 Allen bolts. And this gear will just slide right off. Now you can see there the entire Hondamatic assembly is right here. You got to position this in the right spot. There we go. And we've got a back motor mount kind of holding us up there. So there is the crankcase split. And we've got our oil pump. We've got our oil pump here. And then obviously our Hondamatic here. We'll keep disassembling that. We've got our crankshaft and our counterbalancer. And the counterbalancer can just pull out as well as the crankshaft. We may have to tap on this crankshaft. The crank is out there, and the crank balancer. And there's the crank. That crank feels like it's a crank. We will dig into that a little bit more. Now we've got our Hondamatic. Now to continue on removing that, we've got 10mm bolts around the outside, a handful of those. Looks like 5 10mm bolts around the outside, and then this should be free to lift up here. And you may have to tap on it from the other side as well. There we go. Hondamatic is out there. And we've got our oil pump that we'll remove out of this case. And those middle 3 bolts there, you don't actually have to remove. So that's the oil pump there. Remember we pulled that small chain off there. That small chain and sprocket goes right on that shaft there. So that is a crankcase split on the Honda, the 2008 Honda 500. If you've got questions or comments, make sure and leave those below. If you've got more videos you want me to do on this model, including the reassembly, make sure you leave those in the comments below. Thanks for watching.